Tired of your game getting cut short because of a dead controller? Let's learn how to keep your Xbox Series X controller powered up and ready for action. First, we have a few ways to get this done, and they're all pretty simple. The most common method is using a USB-C cable. Locate the USB-C port on the top of your controller. It's the small, oval-shaped port. Next, grab your USB-C cable one and plugs directly into this port on your controller, and the other end goes into your Xbox Series S or X console, or even into a wall adapter, like the one you may use for your phone. If you're using a wall adapter, plug the adapter into a power outlet. The controller will start charging automatically. You can usually tell it's charging by the flashing Xbox button on the controller. If you really want to step up your charging game, you can also use a charging stand, which provides a dedicated charging station for your controller. These stands typically come with a rechargeable battery pack that you replace with the one the controller uses. Follow the stand's instructions for setup. They're usually super easy. Once the controller is charging, the Xbox button will likely remain illuminated. Charging times generally vary depending on the power source and the battery status. You can also charge the controller while it is in use. And that's it. You're now equipped to keep your Xbox controller powered up for endless gaming sessions. Whether you charge directly with a cable or use one of those fancy charging stands, power up and game on. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful gaming content.